Following the Election Commission's announcement of the by-elections to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly seat of 13 MAWRYNKKNENG, 24 Mawphlang and 47 RAJABALA constituencies scheduled for the 30th of October 2021, the United Democratic Party had made an official announcement of the party's candidate to the Mawphlang constituency, Eugene Mawphlang, who is also the son of late S.K. Sun, former MLA who had recently passed away. During the official function, the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and also President of the UDP, LYNGDOH, welcomed the young candidate to the party and publicly declared him as the candidate to the forthcoming by-elections in the state.
Eugene ila submit ia ka application but ka apply sa Poca district but don bok bagi don hangni president juga district East Casinas but nakalian jong ilu ila pen scam yang ini ka jing apply tiket ke jong but menta ka lapoi sa ka state but menenmin ila that I authorization yang ban le ya ka banun kam menta kasi lala kanun kam yang ya ka wangin penda tenaman ka jindawa ja ka por hagani ka por ngasuha an betul da ka sokmen ba iba Eugene Mawphlang ide official candidate na ka Mawphlang constituency haga ticket UDP.
The new UDP party member and also official candidate to the Mawphlang by-elections, Eugene Mawphlang, while addressing the gathering, thanked party supporters for approaching him and also for their trust in his capability to carry on the unfinished work of his late father S.K. Sun, who was the MLA of the constituency.
Panganlat menpendam ikni hikam kiblasa patlingba kajing itrilan papi patnga kaye kasem inyok kai yokso kajing jong mahapit ko dah kali kentian pai pai la cui kai yang yang ada ngamak ye kiwe ro kiwe la dan kali ngakin kok kiwang pi barok tapi nampit nampian nai sai nai ko nakia kubleshibon pi barok